Dear Professor, I'm Gao Shenghan. I would like to submit my homework about homework 2, number 2. Write a C++ language to control 7 segment by keypad. Next, I will introduce my hardware. For both, we need one Arduino Uno and one 7 segment and a breadboard and a keypad. Arduino Uno 7 segment. Next, I will explain my code. First, we need a segment code for number 0 to 9, and the segment has 8 pins, about Arduino 2 to 9, 8 pins. And next is the keypad rating. Keypad rating rows 4, cores 4, and those cores is 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 5, 6, B, 7, 8, 9, C, and 0, D. And the pins, those is Arduino 10 to 13, and the core pins is A0 to AT. And next is the setup. Set the segment pins as output. The pin mode is set the push button as input. And next is the loop function. Loop function is the keypad click key. Key has 9 button, and the distinctor is display the specified number. And next, I will show my video. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This is all my instruction of write a C++ language to control 7 segment by keypad. Thanks for watching.